Hi, good afternoon. This is Ranu again, and welcome back to the channel of Connect Overseas. In the last episode, we were talking about the admission requirement and the visa requirement to the various country. But today, we're going to talk about the financial requirement. Whenever you think about I want to study abroad, sounds promising. But the main glitch the many students and the parents that thought about is like the funds. How I'm going to fund my entire education if I'm going to study abroad in US, UK, Australia and New Zealand, because that's the main program. Various countries, they do offer varieties of scholarship. Now, the scholarship I'm talking about is need-based, merit-based, subject-based and the university-based. So if you have performed really well in your academic one, you can apply on the academic excellence scholarship. US offer Fulbright scholarship to the various international students, and when we talk about Europe, they do offer Erasmus scholarship. Then you talk about the Ivy League one, they sometimes offer the Vice Chancellor scholarship, which can give you like a 10,000, 15,000 of scholarship on the first go. So when to apply, the next thing is. So when you start your admission process and you want to avail the scholarship, you better start your application a bit earlier, maybe in the month of February or March, because by the time the application window closes, or the scholarship might close. So you contact us as soon as better, like we can guide you, we can help you when to start the application process. Moreover, when is the right window to start your application for the scholarship program itself. You don't have to wait for your entire degree to complete. You can start even if you're pursuing your final degree or if a student is in your class 12. So I would encourage all the students, even all the parents, to come and visit us to give you the right proper information about the scholarship and the application for all the universities and all the countries that you're willing to pursue your education. So thank you, and I'm definitely going to insist this is the right time probably. So please contact us. We're going to help you there. Thank you very much.